Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your Dropbox account permanently. So first of all, open your Dropbox app on your phone and make sure you are logged in with that account which you want to delete. Simply click on menu button in bottom right corner. Now tap on gear icon, setting icon in top right corner. Scroll down and find the option delete account. You can see here is available. Simply tap on it and enter your account password. And tap on next. Choose a reason to delete your account. Simply I will choose other and delete permanently. Once again you need to verify. Simply tap on delete. Your account will be deleted and signed out automatically. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video.